Hi, this is David at Smart Scapes LLC here in Nashville, Tennessee. And you've called the right place. We do pavers, permeable, non-permeable, retaining walls, and synthetic turf every day. We also do grading, drainage, landscape lighting, and sod, but most of the time we do those jobs in conjunction with the pavers, retaining walls, and turf. We found a great system to consult and save time. Typical consultation will start with a Zoom call. In that Zoom call, we can pull up high definition mapping and cross-reference pictures that you can provide of the area that needs work and look at the different material options. With that information, we can start some budgeting and design. Sometimes we can move straight to the design software on the Zoom call and show you a 3D rendering. We found that during that short Zoom call, we can give you much more information and better visuals than meeting on site for the initial consultation. After we've established a basic design and budget, we can meet on site, finalize details, and close the deal. At Smart Scapes LLC, we're changing the world one paver at a time by building badass outdoor spaces.